Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel. So today we will be going to learn about Google Docs. So we will be going to see how you can create a new Google Doc. What are the features in Google Docs? Okay. So it will be a walkthrough, more like a walkthrough video, like we will be seeing the features in Google Docs. Yeah. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So all you have to do is open a new tab and search for Google Docs. Search for it, and it will appear on the first page. You can see it here. So you have to open the first link, which is stating Google Docs free online documents for personal use. Okay, so we will click on it, and you can see here that this all is actually comes under Google what we can say Office something. So we have already gone with forms. We'll be going with docs in this video. We'll be going with sheets and slides in the next video. So if you have not watched the video of how you can create your first Google form, I highly suggest you to go and watch that video. If you are interested, I will be giving an information tab over here. Okay, so let's get started. So you can see here that there are two things, the business and the personal. Okay, so we will be going with go to Google Docs, the personal one. Okay, and once you are logged in into your account, all you have to do is you can see that same as the Google form template, you have a variety of template here. The first one is the blank, the resume coral, letter, project proposal, brochure, report, and you can see the whole gallery. There are multiple of templates available here. Okay, so what I do is I will always go with blank document, and I will just create it by clicking on it. Okay, so you can see it's same like Word, Microsoft Word. Okay, but the only difference is this is an online portal where you can save your document, write and save your document, and it will be saved on your Google Drive, and you can access it all over the internet. You can access it with the when you use Microsoft Word or something, it will be available offline. Okay, so if I use that Microsoft Word, my Word file will be available in this particular laptop or this particular system only. When I upload it on Drive, then it will be available across the internet, and I can access it from anywhere. But what I recommend you is write directly on Google Docs, because it will automatically save your data, automatically save the whatever you write here, and it will be available online. Okay, you can also download it if you want, but online is the best thing right now, and you can access it from anywhere. So people use it because it is very easy to use. You don't need what we can say Microsoft Office, the Microsoft Office software, licensed software. And this Google Docs is free of cost. So people move toward this. A person like me, or someone working in a startup, or someone working in an office, so they use this Office, like Docs, Google Forms, Google Excel sheets, Google whatever slides. Okay, so once you are here, you can see the as usual UI of any Word document. So you can write here anything, like anything here, You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can do underline, you can choose the color, you can select the alignment. Okay, you can uh, give the what we can say it, um, distance between two lines like 1.5 single or something. You can make it as a bullet point, you can make it as a bullet point. This was with numerical bullet point, this was the bullet point. So there are different what we can say symbols also. Here you can choose different hierarchy of letter and numbers. You can shift it to the right, you can shift it to the left. Okay, and what is it, clear formatting. Okay, so it will also give you a button of clear formatting. So I will just press Ctrl Z. Okay, the shortcut which you use on Microsoft Word works here as well, like Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Y, Ctrl U, Ctrl I, Ctrl V, or whatever. Okay, so you can increase the size of the text. You can choose different kind of fonts like Laura, normal. You can use it. You can choose what the exactly this write-up is. Like, is this a normal text or is this title, or maybe is it a subtitle, a heading, heading 2, heading 3, and you can go and save as my default style, use my default style, reset styles. So you can also select and save your default style. Okay, but you can choose according to your need or demand. You can zoom the page, it's for the page, it's all 100%. You can do it 125, you can do 200. 100 is fine for me for this laptop, this screen. Okay, you can paint the format. Okay, paint format, I don't know what this feature is. What this actually does, I don't know what this actually does. Whatever, you can check the spelling and grammar check. Okay, so basically I already installed Grammarly. So Grammarly will help you to like correct the wrong spelling or wrong grammatical mistake. So you can improve your spelling as well as grammatical mistake with the help of Grammarly, as well as inbuilt Google Doc spelling checker. You can print it. Okay, you can redo, undo. Okay, so that's the all of the home tab. Okay, you can edit document directly, which is we are into editing document directly. You can, you're suggesting, okay, you can suggest also, like you can change this or something, viewing. So it's depend on you. Okay, you can hide and hide the top bar. Okay, so here you can see that you also have an option to go into your calendars. Yeah, Keepo is a tool where you can write your notes, like such notes you can write short notes. Okay, and here is the tasks is actually a Google product where you can enter your tasks. Okay, get started, and you can enter tasks and you can arrange it. Okay, and there are multiple add-ons, you can see it, and if you need any of them you can install it, you can do it. Okay, so I don't use any of the add-ons till now because I'm not very hardcore writer. Okay, so now you can see here this is the untitled document. So when I enter here, it will be giving it will be uh, it renamed as anything, because the only thing which I entered in this document is anything. That's why anything is the title of this document. You can make it star. Star means it's what you can say, a highlighted thing in your when you go back to your Google Doc home page, you will see it as a star, like a highlighted document or an important document. You can move it into your drives, into some folder. Okay, you can see document status. Okay, this document is ready for offline use. So we are done with this. We are done with this, and this is the Explore tab. Basically, Google will recommend you and will let you know what is exactly what features, is there anything the update, is there anything we can all agree on, and all this thing. Okay, so we are done with this, we are done with this, we are done with this, and we are done with this also. Okay, let's start from the left hand side. Let's go to file. The first option is share. You can see a share button over here also. So basically, share is when you share a document with someone, maybe with link, maybe you can add it directly here, the email address of that particular person or something, or you can send it on WhatsApp, on email, or something like that. Okay, so share is done. New is when you can want to create a document. uh, if you want to create a blank document, you can click on document. If you want to create a document from template, you can use from template, and the spreadsheet, presentation, form, drawing, other products of Google, which will be seeing in the next video. Okay, not in this video. This video is only dedicated to Google Docs. You can open a new file from your drive, or from your, what we can say, you can upload it offline Microsoft Word and open it in Google Docs. You can make a copy of it. You can email this file to someone by entering the email address, email address and a message. You can download this as a Microsoft Word, open document format, rich text format, PDF, plain text web page, EPUB publication. Okay, you can make available offline. This file you can make it this file available offline. Version history, you can see the version history also, like who edited what. This is it's the feature which comes in every Google, what we can say, Google Slides, Google Document, Google Sheets. Okay, so you can name the current version as well. You can rename the file from anything to something. You can move it. You can add shopper to drive. You can move it to trash, publish to a web. Document detail, you can see the document details. You can set the language. You can set the piece setup. Okay, and you can finally print. With the edit, there is undo, redo. You can cut and copy also. When I select this, it will be appear here. The feature will appear. Cut, copy, paste without formatting, delete, select all, find and replace comes under edit. When you go to view the print layout, you can set the print layout and see the print layout. Okay, so print layout is basically nothing but it will show you how the document will be printed. Print layout, you can see the mode is editing, edit document directly, edit becomes suggestions. So suggesting is when you don't own a file and you are suggesting it to the owner of the file. Okay, viewing is only reading. the file. That's it. Okay, you can show you a ruler or you can disable it. Okay, you can use show equation tool bar. You can show section break, and you can do it full screen. Press escape in order to come back, and that's all in view tab. When you click on insert is very much like insert tab in Google, in Microsoft Word. You can upload from computer, you can search the web, you can select the photo from image from drive, you can use the photo or image from photos, you can enter the URL, you can take the live picture of something. Table is when you need a table. Okay, so you can go as far as you want. Okay, yeah, so basically the max you can go here is 20 into 20, but you can change it, but rather afterward you can change it afterward. Okay. So you can drawing, you can add a drawing like new, you can draw anything. Okay, like you can draw anything, and you can save and close, and the drawing will be added here. You can add chart, that is bar, column, line, pie. You can also add it from sheets. Horizontal line, you can see the horizontal line is added here. Footnote, can add a footnote also. Let me delete it. I deleted everything, so we are done with footnote. We can enter special character, equation, header and footers, page numbers. You can break the page, selection break, the section break, continuous, next page. So you can enter it. You can enter link, insert link. You can insert comment. You can bookmark this page. You can enter table of contents also. Format is you can choose the text format, bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript, superscript, size, capitalization. But this, yeah. You can use the paragraph style, like you can set border and shading, normal text. You can use it like you can edit it. This is what you can set the basic thing. You can align and indent, left, center, right, justified, increase in indent, decrease indent, indentation options. You can, yeah, the line spacing. You can choose the line spacing, single 1.15, 1.5, double, add space before paragraph, add a space after paragraph, custom spacing. I mostly use custom spacing here. Keep with next, keep lines together, prevent single lines. Column, you can add columns by the current version is only single column. You can make it dual or triple according to your needs. You can use the bullets already shown, bullets of the number bullets, the symbol bullets, headers and footers, page numbers. You can clear the formatting, and that's it. Okay. Tools is spelling and grammar, word count. Okay. Review suggested edit, compare documents, citation, explore, linked objects, dictionary, translate, voice typing, script editor, preferences, accessibility setting. You can turn on screen reader support, you can turn on screen magnifier support. Okay. You can use voice typing also. For example, you have to allow subscribe to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel now. You can see. Let's check one more statement. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel. So you can see here that you can do a voice typing also. Voice typing is not like very accurate, but you can make a use of it. Or how are you all doing today? I hope you all had a great welcome. Shit. Okay, so it is tools. Translate document. You can even translate the document also. Okay, so I want to translate in maybe Hindi. Let's translate. So I can see the translation of the document which is written in some like other language, like it is written in English, they translate it into Hindi. Shubham Raj Singh or Sa. Okay. Sa means को YouTube चैनल की सदस्यता ले अब एक और बयान की जांच करे hello whatever. So you can do it here like this also. Okay, and that's it. And you can, as I told you, these are the add-ons. You can insert add-ons if you want. I don't use add-ons because I'm not a very hard user of Google Docs. I use it only for sometimes for creating reports or something like that. Mostly I do it on Excel sheet, but sometimes I have to use Google Docs. Okay, so in the help section you can get the doc help, you can get the training as well, so you can see the updates. You can help docs improve by giving feedback, report abuse, copyright, privacy policy and terms, and you can also see keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so basically all the whatever you do on Microsoft Word is same with Google Docs. There may be one or two or three features which is up and down, but everything is same as Microsoft Word. So I hope that now you understand how you can create your Google Doc document, first Google Doc document, okay, and use it and share it with others. So make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment, and take care. Bye bye.